Hello Airsofters, this is Archie V2. This is gonna be my review of my Airsoft loadout. It's a Springer M14. Just wanted to own an M14. MP5 I got years ago, broken. Electric FAMAS. 4G Legions. The M4 D-Boys. It's really good. Double P99 Desert Eagle. Double mini Colts for backup. USP. UHC revolver 8-inch. M9 Springer pistol. By the way, these are all Springer pistols. C3 pistol. Colt MK4, M1911A1, SIG, P230, and another Beretta M9 C3. And a Colt on duty kit, M4, electric. U2G Sniper Type 96, and M4 A1 Colt on duty kit Springer, Springer M16, Mossberg 500 SWAT shotgun, and all these guns. Some of these guns were purchased on evic.com. This one was D-Boys M4, USP, UHC revolver, U2G Sniper, Spring M16, SWAT shotgun, and that's it. FAMAS M14 was at Big 5, Double P99's Big 5, Desert Eagle Big 5. These came at 10,000 bright yellow BBs, $25, Big 5. I got this at Bash Pro Shop, M9, Springer. These are good pistols. Springer pistols have been more advanced now. This is the best Springer pistol I ever have. And this is the best spring sniper that I ever owned. I got this Springer M4 that came with this Colt. $50. And it came with 2 magazines and 2,000 BBs at Sports Authority. And a lot of these guns are Springers. I only have 3 electrics. They're very good. Some of these are broken. At the SIG, Colt MK4, a revolver, Desert Eagle, MP5. M14 is a little jammed right now. Shotgun, it's not cocking right. FAMAS, I just need to fix up the gearbox. This electric M4 kind of broke. The wiring, the gearbox, the trigger is not functioning. Sniper, the trigger assembly broke off because it's cheap plastic. I ordered a new one, a metal one. Should be coming tomorrow, and my sniper will be best again. And that's all. All the other guns work, and they're very good. And won wars. Everyone's scared of me. This is my review of my Airsoft gun loadout.